Good afternoon. I would like to book a room at your hotel for 2 nights, please.
Good afternoon. Thank you for choosing our hotel. We would be happy to assist you. May I have your name, please?
Certainly. My name is John Smith.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. Could you please let me know your check-in and check-out dates?
I'll be arriving on the 10th of July and checking out on the 12th of July.
Great. I see that we have availability for those dates. What type of room would you prefer?
I would like a double room with a king-sized bed if possible.
Noted, Mr. Smith. I can confirm that we have a double room with a king-sized bed available for you. Would you like to include breakfast in your reservation?
Yes, please. I would like to include breakfast for both mornings.
Perfect. Your reservation for a double room with a king-sized bed including breakfast has been confirmed for the 10th to the 12th of July. Can I have a contact number or email address to reach you if needed?
Sure, my phone number is 555-123-4567 and my email address is john.smith@email.com.
Thank you for providing your contact details, Mr. Smith. We will ensure that everything is prepared for your arrival. Is there anything else you would like to request or inquire about?
Actually, I have a late flight and might arrive at the hotel around midnight. Will there still be someone available at the front desk for check-in?
Absolutely, Mr. Smith. Our front desk operates 24 hours a day, so there will be someone here to assist you with check-in regardless of your arrival time.
That's great to hear. Thank you for your help. I look forward to my stay at your hotel.
You're most welcome, Mr. Smith. We're delighted to have you as our guest. Should you have any further questions or require any assistance, please don't hesitate to let us know. Have a safe journey and we'll see you soon.